Hello, today I will be unboxing and making some short review on the new Infinix Smart 10 smartphone. This is one of the latest release of Infinix smartphone that comes powered by Infinix Artificial Intelligence AI with Android version 15. The sleek design of this latest smartphone bears the frame design for iPhone 16, which makes it more beautiful and great. Inside the box comes a Type-C USB cable, a fast charger head, a SIM card pin removal, a phone case and a user manual. Now let's unwrap this device. The Infinix Smart 10 comes with a high-quality camera for great picture and video recording experience. With a 5000 mAh battery strongness to serve a long-time usage and a storage capacity of 64 GB, 128 GB with RAM speed of 6 GB to 8 GB for smooth music, video, and gaming experience. The cost of this smartphone is actually on a budget-friendly, because you can actually do all you can with this device and still enjoy good speed. So guys, follow me, let's set up this device for the first time. If you are a user of the smartphone, do share your thought and experience in the comment section. Thank you.